Hey everyone, welcome to istudynew. So today we are going to learn about Data Studio. So this is the first lecture of Data Studio. You know what is Data Studio? Data Studio is a wonderful visualization tool. It allows us to combine any different kind of data sets to blend together and give a very beautiful insight about the data. You know, the data analytics is one of the emerging technology in the world right now. So using data analytics, so anyone can decide the business growth in upcoming future. So our main agenda in this video is to learn about Data Studio and how to create a basic Data Studio reporting. What are the data sources available in Data Studio, and I will also provide some free sample reports if you stick with the end of this video. And I'll also share some tips and tricks to create engaging dashboards. For example, which color combinations were fit for the amazing dashboard. For example, which type of data should I select, which type of chart like P chart and bar chart, stacked chart, line chart. Those are so many kind of charts are available in Data Studio. So we'll discuss every that chart type, and we'll also provide tips to how to choose a best chart for the particular data. So don't waste the time. Let's begin into the video. So enter Data Studio in the Google. You get this one, Data Studio overview, and click on it. So Data Studio, it is a freely available tool similar to Google Sheets and Google Docs. So it is similar to that. The overview is similar to the Sheets and Docs only. So here you will find the create option here. So this is data pane. You need to select the email IDs, so whichever you want. So here is a create option. If you click on this create, you will get the report and data source and explorer. Explorer is currently in the beta version, so I'll explain this later. So report means a report, blank report. So all your data present in that report only. Data source means you need a particular data source. For example, if you want to see the web analytics data, you need a Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics access to your Google Data Studio. Unless you unable to create a report in this format. So first of all, you make sure create data source. So click on data source. So before creating any blank report, you must create a data source for it. So you must understand yourself. So what I'm going to create, so what I'm going to blend, because I already one of the main uses of the Data Studio is to blend the two data sources. For example, if you are running Facebook ads and if you are running adverts for the same URL, which advertisement platform will bring you the good results. So in that case, you need two data sources, and you need to connect the two data sources into Data Studio as well. That is mandatory, and I'll show you how to connect it. There are 22 data sources. There are 22 connectors available by Google, so you can connect as it is. One is Google Analytics, one of the popular you might already know, and another one is Google Ads, Google Sheets, and Amazon Redshift, File, and BigQuery. There are a lot of advanced data sources available. So today we are going to discuss about analytics as well. So it is a simple one. As you already want to track the website analytics and etc., you will attach this one, or else you can connect the Google Sheets as well. If you want to look up the particular data in a visualization format, you can use the Google Sheets as well. So I'm now using Google Analytics. Click on Analytics. I'm connecting my websites here. Click on connect option here, and the data source is connected. And name it as Google Analytics TWeb. TWeb is my website name. So I have now it is completed, and go to the home page. Might take, yeah, it is completed right now. So here you can see that Telangana web. So I have created this one today. So this is my one of the data source, and go to the home page and click on blank report. When you click on blank report, you will end up with this kind of blank report. And here again, Google Data Studio will ask you to connect data source. So if you don't have a data source in your Data Studio domain, So you need to go to my data sources because you already created one there. So click on this. This was I created just a couple of minutes back. So click on this one and add into the report. Now it is asked, note that reported it is. So it is asking that if you want to add this data source to your report, yes, add to report. Click on add to report, and once you click on add to the report, you will get your data get added to this data studio report. So here you will do anything you want. For example, I want to see the users bounce rate and average session duration, and I want to see the male and female ratio of the traffic to my website, and I want to see the country wise traffic. I want to see the landing page wise traffic. I want to see the search query wise traffic. So all this possible using the data source is very important. Okay, you need to be very careful while doing this one. So I'll explain the basic interface of the data studio. So in this data studio, this is the file editing view insert page. It is all the same as a Google Sheets or Google Docs you find. So I'll explain one of the important points here. What is chart? So chart means you'll click on this chart, you'll find table type. One is table with bars, and one is table with heat map. These are the table types, and scorecard type 2 charts are there. This is also done, and time series chart, bar chart, and pie chart, and geolocation map chart, geo chart, and line chart with bar chart combo, and area chart like 2 line chart together, and scatter plot, and pivot table. This you might already know, you are doing in Excel or etc. something. And pivot table with heat map, pivot table with bars. Next is bullet chart and free map. These are some of the important charts for your convenience. For example, I want to showcase the traffic, so I am selecting the scorecard here. Click on scorecard. Now again, I want four of this kind, means just copy and paste it, drag and drop, and copy and paste it, drag and drop. Like that you need to arrange yourself. Okay, so this is the views actually you're getting. So I'm adding a right report, just a second. Yeah, now if you want to visualize very beautifully, you need to go to the style platform, and there are so many options here. Background, if you want to change the background, click on gradient. If you want to change like this, click on it. Now it is changed. It looks amazing right now. So this is one criteria. Here you will remember these 3 points: chart pane and widgets pane. This is the community visualizations. So these are currently under beta version, so you cannot use properly. If you want to use, you may, because these are provided by some of the third party users. And this is the add control. Add control means drop down, fixed size, input box, advanced filter, slider, tick box, data range control, and data control. So these are the data control filters. So filters, as you've seen in the Excel or Google Sheets, you have so many filters, right? Text contain with color text, so many filters are different. But in this data studio you will find some data control filters. So these are all called data control filters. So I'll explain if you practice your data dashboard studio, so you will explore with this kind of data control filters as well. Okay, and this is the URL embed option. So if you want to embed any URL, you can use this option. This is the image. If you want to embed your logo, if you want to upload your logo, then you can use this option also. So I want to upload my logo here, so my company logo. So this is, now here the text format, you can write text as well, like whatever you want. For example, total traffic I use it to write, and this is a line. These are all the visualization tools to create your visualization dashboard into more beautiful way. So these are same kind of it. Okay, and if you want to select anywhere, if you want to select anywhere, you will find the two options here. One is data and one is type. Data is for the data, so you can add the dimension and metrics as well. So I will share the details of dimension and metric in the next video. So please like and subscribe to this channel, and you'll get the more information about the Data Studio and its properties and its applications and its examples. Okay. So this is the, if you go through this pane, you will get to know the default date range and filter options as well. So once you start preparing your dashboard using Data Studio, you will get to know very detailed insights. Once you practice, once you start your dashboard studio, you'll get key insights into it. Okay. So this is a basic Data Studio introduction. So hope you like this introduction. So because Data Studio will enable us to create a more engaging reports by combining, for example, Search Console report. If you are SEO employee, Search Console report, analytics report at one place gives you a huge advantage to analyze your website traffic. For example, if you are a digital marketer running ads for so many platforms, for example, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So if you want to analyze the which advertising domain gives you the best results, so then it was a very complex job for you, because you need to go through, you need to download the reports individually, you need to combine those reports again, and you need to analyze yourself. But this Data Studio brings you to create a report that will bring these 4 type of data sources at one place and create which data source will bring you the greater results compared to others, and which data source will bring you the more customers into your website compared to others. So those kind of very important aspects are done by the Data Studio. It was very amazing. Hope you like this video, and I'll share you the important points regarding Data Studio and its dashboards in the next video. And subscribe to istudynew. Like this video and share to your friends. Thank you, and thank you so much. Bye.